Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and continuing on with our Christmas Spectacular. That means a video every day until Christmas at 8 p.m. But even when it's not Christmas, and I'm not being this generous, every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 p.m. you can watch new episodes of Dave's Cooking Show. All right, now we're on to a blue cheese dip. Perfect for crackers, chips, Christmas parties, and all that fun stuff, office potlucks and whatnot. So we got 8 ounces of cream cheese in a bowl. The cream cheese has been softened. And then you want about a cup of sour cream. And then you want a half a cup of chopped up green onions. Put that in there. Then you want a half a cup of chopped up parsley. And then you want a half a cup to a cup of blue cheese. I went with a half a cup. I figured a cup would be way too much. And it has a nice flavor. Remember, blue cheese is a really potent flavor. And yeah, you can really overpower your dip. So I went with a half a cup, but half a cup to a cup. And then you want 1 tablespoon of, a half a teaspoon of white vinegar. Do not add a tablespoon, but a half a teaspoon of white vinegar. And then salt and pepper to taste. I went a little bit easier on the salt because of the sour cream and the blue cheese. And then you just want to grab a spoon and start stirring this around. Don't worry, this is going to clump into a great big ball at first, but it will come together. Just keep working it. And once you've got it mixed to your liking, place it in a container like this Ziploc one that I'm doing. Pop the top on, and it'll keep for a couple weeks in the fridge. And this does go really well, especially with crackers. So yeah, if you're looking for something to bring to the party or the potluck, so give this a shot. So that's blue cheese dip. Done.